Hello, hello. Good evening, Moon. Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. How are you today, Moon? Hello, good evening. Good evening,
Teacher,
Moon. Hello.
sorry, teacher, because reporting my name.
Huh?
It's a China name,
Re-
Chinese name. So I
oh,
report
report.
changing it.
You will report your name?
Changing,
Why?
change. Now,
Oh, that's your.
firstly, because I studying Chinese.
Oh, you are studying Chinese?
Yeah,
Wow, that's very good to know. Okay, hello Moon. Good evening and welcome
yeah,
again to
teacher.
our class. Wow. How are you today? How are you today? Are you
Mm,
happy today?
yeah, I have.
Yeah. Yes, I am. Yes, I'm happy. And what did you eat today, Moon? Do you already eat your dinner?
Yeah, I eat dinner.
Okay, very good. Yes, I ate dinner.
I
Okay.
eating tomato. Eating. Chi- I eat.
Wow.
I eat. Chi- Sing the
Noodles?
carrot
Carrots? Wow.
and eating vegetable too.
Vegetables. Wow, that's very good that you are eating vegetables because it's very healthy for your body. Okay, so good job, Moon. So thank you for sharing. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Are you ready?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
ready.
Yes, I'm ready. So good job. So now, so let's start or continue our lesson for today. So we will listen to a story with these animals, okay? And we will answer some questions. So make sure to listen clearly, okay?
The cat is sleeping.
The cat is sleeping. Are you sure? I think the cat is just only closing its eyes. Okay, but let's listen if the cat is really sleeping. Okay, so tell teacher if you cannot hear the sound, okay?
Part 2. Look at the picture.
Can you hear it?
Listen and write a name or a number.
Can you hear it?
There are 2 examples.
You've got a lot of pets, Kim.
Yes, this is my dog,
What's its name?
Ben.
Ben?
That's right, Ben.
How old is your dog?
1 year old.
1? That's young.
Yes, it is.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1,
Are those your chickens?
They're my mom's. She gets eggs from them.
How many chickens are there?
19.
19. That's a lot.
I know.
Okay, so let's listen to it again one more
2.
time.
Now you listen and write a
Listen to
name
number one.
or a number.
Number one.
1,
Number one.
Are those your chickens?
They're my mom's. She gets eggs from them.
How many chickens are there?
19.
19. That's a lot.
I know.
Okay, so now let's answer the question here, Moon. Okay, so how many chickens has Kim's mom got? How many?
It, it it's 19.
Very good. It's 19. Good job. So it's 19 chickens. Very good. Wow, good job. Good listener. Next, let's go to number 2. Let's listen. Two, two.
2.
Is that your mom's duck?
No, that's my duck. Her name's Lucy.
Lucy?
Yes, you spell it Lucy.
Okay, so one more time.
2.
Is that your mom's duck?
No, that's my duck. Her name's Lucy.
Lucy?
Yes, you spell it Lucy.
Okay, so next question, number 2. So, Moon, what is the name of Kim's duck?
It's
What is the name? It's.
it
Okay, do you want to listen to it one more time? Let's listen one more time.
him.
2.
2.
Is that your mom's duck?
No, that's my duck. Her name's Lucy.
What is the name?
Lucy?
Yes, you spell it Lucy.
Okay, so what is the name of Kim's duck?
The Kim duck is it is a often the duck it's a Kim, but duck say quack quack.
Yes, very good. Duck says quack, quack, quack. But what is the name of the duck? What is the name? It's Lucy.
C
Y.
Y.
How do you read this name? It's
Lucy.
Very good. How do you read this name? It's Lucy.
It's Lucy.
Very good, Lucy. Okay, so now let's say Kim's duck name is Lucy.
Kim duck name Lucy.
Very good. Good job. So next, let's listen to how many goats are there in the garden. So now let's listen. Number 3.
3.
3. 3. 3.
Can I see some goats in the garden?
Goats.
Yes, my dad likes goats. He's got 5.
5?
Yes, they eat a lot.
Okay, let's listen one more time.
Three.
Can I see some goats in the garden?
Goats.
Yes, my dad likes goats. He's got 5.
5?
Yes, they eat a lot.
Okay, so now Moon, how many goats are there in the garden based on the story? How many? How many goats? There are. Very good. Good job. Very good. So there are 5 goats. Very good. So next, let's listen to number listen to number 4.
No, it isn't.
No,
It's number 4, not number 3.
yes, not number 3. How many? It's number
It's number
4.
4.
Okay, let's listen to number 4.
What pets has your brother got?
Oh
He
no!
has a lizard.
Okay, one more time.
4.
What pets has your brother got?
He has a lizard.
Lizard.
That's nice.
Yes.
Lizard.
Its name is Zebra.
Zebra?
Yes. Zebra. It's a cool name.
Okay, one more time. Number 4.
What pets has your brother got?
He has a lizard.
That's
Lizard.
nice.
Yes. Its name is Zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra?
Yes. Zebra. It's a cool name.
Okay, so now Moon.
It's a cool name.
Cool name, yes, that's a cool name. What is the lizard's name?
It's
It's zebra.
zebra.
Okay, very good. Again,
Zebra.
zebra. Again, what is the name of the lizard? What is the name of the lizard?
Zebra.
It's, or the name of
Name
the,
of that
its name is
is
zebra.
zebra.
Very good. How do you spell zebra, Moon? It's Z E Z E B
P
R
R
A.
A.
Very good. So that is zebra. So now let's listen to number. What number are we? Number.
Number 5.
Okay, very good. So we are in number 5. So let's listen. Number 5. Number 5.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Left.
5.
5.
Is your brother's lizard old?
Yes. It's 11.
11. Wow.
11.
It likes living in our house.
Left.
Okay, one more time. Number 5.
Zebra?
Wait.
5.
Is your brother's lizard old?
Yes. It's 11.
11. Wow.
11.
It likes living in our house.
Okay, so now Moon, how old is the lizard? How old is the lizard?
Lisa
How
is
old is the lizard is
Lisa is 11.
11? 11 what? 11 years?
11 years old.
Very good. Good job. How about you, Moon? How old are you?
I
I am
am 3.
3 years old. 3.
No. 5 years old.
Oh, 5 years old? You are 5 years old? Okay, let's say I am.
5
I
years
am.
old. My
Okay.
name is Moon. Is 5 years old.
Oh, okay. So let's say I am 5.
I am 5 years old.
Good job. Very good. So good job. You are 5 years old. So very good, Moon. So next, let's move on to our next activity. So good job in this story listening activity because I can see that you listened so well in the story.
Part 2.
Okay, so now let's have the phonic letter P. So it sounds like, yes, so it sounds like pa, pa. Let's say pa, pa. Let's say pa, pa, pa.
Mama,
there, there is an
wait.
there is an eyes on the letter P. Okay, so let's go to this object. So what is this,
wait.
Moon?
Wait.
What is this? What is this? This is a
Wait. Wait.
What is this? This is
It's
a
a cat.
cat. Very good. This is a cat. Good job. So now teacher has a question. Does cat starts with letter P?
Từ cat có bắt đầu bằng chữ P không?
Yes or no?
Mm, mm,
Does
Mm.
cat does cat starts with letter P?
Oh yeah. No, it is C.
No, it isn't. It's C. Very good. So we will move the cat here. How about this one? What is this moon? It's a
It's a
we
It's
call it
a
as coin. Coin.
coin.
Very good. Does coin starts with letter P?
It's no,
No,
it's N.
it's C. It also starts with letter C. Very good. So we will put it in the words that doesn't begin with letter P. Next, how about this one? Do you know this? It's a,
It's a
do you know that? Food. We call it as peanut. Peanut. Yeah,
peanut.
very good. This is a peanut. So peanut, does it starts with letter P?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Good job. So we will write peanut here. So very good. Good job. So next, how about this? What is this?
It's a dog.
It's a dog. Very good. So is a dog or is the word dog starts with letter P?
Dog can say whoop whoop whoop.
Yes, dog can say woof woof. And thus it starts with letter P? Pa, pa.
No.
No.
G.
No. It's D. So you will add it in the words that does not begin with P. How about this one? What animal is this? If you still remember what animal. What animal is this? It's a
Rồi ra.
goat. We call it as goat. Goat.
It's Rush.
Very good. One more time. Let's say goat. Goat.
Well,
Very good. This is a goat. So does a goat or the word goat starts with letter P?
well, no, it's letter
No.
Z.
Letter C or G? It's letter
Z.
G. Very good. How about this one? Oink, 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 oink. What animal is this? Or what is the name of this
It's pig.
animal? It's pig. Very good. Does pig starts with letter P?
Oh,
Does it starts with letter P?
it's
It's does it starts with letter P? Letter P? Yes. Starts with
yeah.
letter P. Pa, pa, pig. Very good. How about this one? Do you know what animal is this? This is a
It's a
deer.
deer.
Deer. One more time. Let's say
Yeah.
deer. Very
But
good.
you know, it do not have the E.
Letter P.
Is D. It's
Very
there.
good. Good job. Very good. It's the letter D. So it's not letter P. How about this one? Do you know what is this moon? This is
It's
a
a
puzzle.
puzzle.
Very good. Puzzle.
Puzzle.
Does it starts with letter P? Does it start with letter P? Yes or no?
It's yes.
Yeah. Yes, very good. Good job. So that are the words that starts with letter P. So now let's read it again. Peanut, pig, and puzzle.
P-N-O-C-Z-E. Pencil.
Very good. Good job. So that is our phonic fee. Okay, or P of fee. Okay, so next. Okay, Moon, do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Yes or no?
Yeah, but pet moon is it 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 yellow, but pet it do not itchy eye.
Oh,
But eye is it do not not can itchy. Eye
oh,
is see.
oh, okay. But do you have a pet? Yes or no?
Bạn có nuôi thú cưng không?
Mm,
Yes or no?
yes.
Oh, what animal is
Thú
your
cưng
pet?
của bạn là con vật gì? Thú cưng của bạn là con vật gì?
What animal is your
It's
pet? What animal?
it do not pet.
Do you have a dog, cat,
No,
fish, bird?
it do not eat eating animal.
Oh yes, you will not eat animal.
It
When we
it
say pet,
it
pet
eating
is the
eating
animals that
it,
we take care. We
it eating cat
yes, that is
eating cow.
yes, we eating cow. That is correct. So when we say pet, Moon, it is the animals that we take care in our house. We do not eat pet.
Thú cưng là những động vật mà chúng ta chăm sóc trong nhà. Chúng ta không ăn thịt thú cưng.
Okay, so you have a pet? No.
No,
Okay, let's say
I
no. I
I don't
don't
have a
have a pet.
pet.
Okay, so very good. So good job, Moon. So we have
No.
no. So good job, Moon. So we have finished this lesson today. So let's have our next lesson, which is, let me just open your next lesson. Hmm. Oh, so we will have the lesson ocean. Okay. So let me just open the lesson ocean. Okay, so Moon. Okay. So Moon, so this will be our lesson for today. So good job for finishing lesson number 5. So we will have this lesson. So okay, the ocean. Okay, so now let's take a look at the title of our lesson. Let's say the ocean. Let's say
The
the ocean.
ocean.
Okay,
I
perfect.
can swimming, but swimming do not fit you.
Oh, I can swimming? Oh, you
I
can
can
swim?
swimming, but not swimming if it
Oh,
as
oh,
swimming.
oh, you can swim. I can swim. Okay, so now Moon, do you know what fish is this? Do you know what fish is this? Do you know Finding Nemo?
He can
Nemo.
swim, but fit. I can swim too,
You
but swimming I swim do not swim do if it.
okay, so good job. So you can still practice. If you still don't know how to swim, you can still practice swimming. So now, let's have a warm up video. Right? Is there a warm up? Okay, so let's have a warm up video about our lesson for today. So let's watch a video. Okay, let me just open the video here.
Down the deep blue sea, down in the
The
deep
deep
blue
blue
sea,
sea.
down in the deep blue sea. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see a swimming fish. We'll see a swimming fish. We'll see a swimming fish. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see an octopus. We'll see an octopus. We'll see an octopus. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see a great big whale. We'll see a great big whale. We'll see a great big whale. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see a baby shark. We'll see a baby shark. We'll see a baby shark. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see a jellyfish. We'll see a jellyfish. We'll see a jellyfish. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see a starfish. We'll see a starfish. We'll see a starfish. Come and take a dive with me. Down in the deep blue sea. Down in the deep blue sea. Down in the deep blue sea. Come and take a dive with me.
Okay, so Moon, that is for our warm-up video. Oh, okay, so we will not open that. Okay, so for that one, so we can see the ocean. So ocean is the deep blue sea where we can swim. What can you do at the ocean? We can swim. We can
We
we,
can
we can swim. Shh. We can see fish.
see fish.
Very good, like this one. So what fish is this? Do you know Finding Nemo? Finding Nemo. This one.
Finding Nemo.
Yes, this is a movie. And then this is Nemo. So this is the fish.
Nemo. Nemo.
Yes, Nemo. Let's say Nemo.
Nemo.
Nemo. Nemo. Okay, so that is Finding Nemo. So that is one of, or he is one of the famous fish in the ocean. So in the real life, we call him clownfish. So let's say clownfish. Clownfish. Very good. So this is a clownfish. Okay, very good. So next, so now let's learn more about the ocean. What are the things that we can see in the ocean, Moon? Okay, so let's look at this first picture. So we call this as the ocean.
The
Say
ocean.
ocean.
Little rose swimming. And
Very
Jack
good.
swimming.
Yes,
Baby
very
shark swimming.
baby shark is
The
swimming.
big shark is swimming. But
Yes.
but jellyfish swimming.
Yes.
Star swimming.
Very good. Wow, good job. So they are all swimming in the ocean.
Swimming.
Very good. So yes, very good. They are all swimming in the ocean. How about this one, Moon? What is this? It's a
It's a star.
star. What kind of star? It's a starfish.
Star fish.
Okay, very good. This is a
Look
star.
at the picture.
Yes, this is a starfish. Next, how about this one? What is this?
It's the cool.
Okay, one more time. Let's say crab. Crab.
Crab.
Very good. Good job. So good job, Moon. Okay. So I can see that it is the end of our time. So we will just continue this lesson. So next Tuesday, okay, Moon? So see you again on Tuesday. So we will continue this lesson, the ocean, next Tuesday, okay? Okay, bye-bye, Moon. See you again on
Bye, teacher.
Tuesday. Goodbye. You can now rest. Bye, 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 bye.